Bonjour mga madam! So we're going to showcase this beautiful Chanel wallets na on hand here sa Fort Lauderdale, Cloverleaf, Quezon City, Baggage PH. This was bought last November batch, London batch mga madam. Everything here is brand new and fresh from the official store. So open na po natin yung una nating on hand, which is this one mga madam. Napakaganda po nito mga madam. So this one is a slim zip multi-wallet of Chanel. So as you can see mga madam, you have a lot of credit card slot na pwede nyong lagyan. And of course, pwede rin po maglagay dito ng ID. Mostly, dapat ang ID na nakalagay dito is your driver's license. And dito naman po yung inyong mga credit cards and some of your coins or jewelries. Ayan, maganda din po siyang lagyan. So this one is the first on hand, which is the Chanel Multi-Pocket Slim Wallet. Our next box will be this one, mga madam. So this one naman po, this is the classic Chanel card holder. Dati, last 2 years ago, this one was around 40,000 and now it's 55,880. Indeed, an investment piece ang mga Chanel small leather goods, mga madam. And of course, this one is in caviar leather, in gold hardware. You have this pocket here, mga madam. And of course, you're going to have this beautiful pocket inside para po sa mga cards ninyo. So, sama-sama yung mga credit cards dyan. This one is a small credit card holder. That is why pwede nyo po siyang ilagay kahit saang bag po ninyo. And you can use it anywhere, mga madam, kahit maliit ang dala mo. Or even in your pocket, sa inyong pants or sa inyong jacket, kasyang-kasya si Chanel credit card holder na wallet. So this one naman mga madam, next natin, this is our third box. So this one, medyo malaki siya. This is a medium size wallet and here it is. Napakaganda mga madam. So this zip wallet, you can put your coins, your credit card. Ayan po yung laman niya. And I love this one because meron na po siyang zipper here. Yung mas maliit, walang zipper. So isang pocket lang siya, but this one, 2 sides na ang meron sa kanya. And of course, I love the C here, mga madam. Super nice. This one is in silver hardware sa mga mahilig sa diamond, mga madam. So, super nice and super secure po ng inyong mga credit card if you're going to use this full zip Chanel card holder wallet. And then this one, mga madam, hindi na nga siya card holder kasi talaga pasok na siya sa wallet dahil malaki siya, mga madam. Ayan po yung laman niya, mga madam. And of course, this one is in caviar leather. So, very nice, mga madam. It's brand new. Fresh from the store, this November batch London trip. Last but not the least, this is our fourth wallet. This one naman po is the classic card holder. Ayan po yung likod niya. Of course, this one in Leboy naman, mga madam. Isa to sa pinakamahirap because this one is in Leboy. Kagaya ng classic, ayan po yung itsura niya. And napakaganda ng pagka-Leboy niya here. So if you have a Leboy, mga madam, of course, kailangan nyo talaga meron kayong Leboy na card holder or small leather goods ng Chanel. For inquiries, mga Madam Loves Embossing for Chanel leather goods, let us know, mga madam, dahil nandito ang inyong lingkod. Dandang pagsabihan kayo anytime, anywhere, only brand new and fresh from the official store. Baggage PH, your global luxury creator. Your happiness is our success.